We have a light snowfall in Chardon today, and it's going to last into tonight and then sometime tomorrow. And we had some 2.5 inches at 6:30 this morning, and 4 to 8 inches more is certainly likely in this vicinity of Chardon, Ohio. And I wish everybody to stay warm and bundle up and be careful, as we're going to have some seriously dangerous conditions into Monday morning, with the wind chills dropping to 20 to -30 in this region. And this will also spread into the Mid-Atlantic and the New England.